Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to set up payment methods in WooCommerce. So let's get started. First of all, open your WordPress dashboard and then from the left menu bar, click on the plugins button. After opening the plugins page, go to the installed plugins section. And now you have to activate the WooCommerce payment setup. So after activating it, go to the payments section and now click finish setup button. After that, click on the approve button and now click continue. After that, go to the pages button and click on the add new button. So create a page of checkout. And now go back to the WooCommerce page. Click on the settings button. Now click on the products button. After clicking the products button, click on the advanced button. Now you have to click on the page setup button. After clicking the page setup button, click on the REST API button bar and you have to fill the entire bars accordingly. And now save the changes. So that's how you will set up payment methods in WooCommerce. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.